Handheld vacuums are incredibly useful for cleaning up small messes quickly, so you don't have to pull out the full-sized vacuum every time. They're small but powerful, making cleaning up quick and easy. We've looked into all the options and picked out the top handheld vacuums for you. For more information on each product, check out the links in the description below. So let's start. The first on our list is the Black & Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean Plus. Designed to tackle messes in both the home and car, this handheld vacuum marries convenience with power, making it a practical choice for quick cleanups. With a robust 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, it provides strong suction that is ideal for various cleaning tasks, enhancing its usability in a versatile range of environments. The lightweight build of just 4.3 pounds facilitates easy maneuverability and comfort during use. The Power Boost mode is particularly helpful, offering an instant increase in suction power at the push of a button, perfect for more stubborn messes that need additional power. The XL Extendable Crevice Tool is another great feature, extending the reach of the vacuum to easily clean tight spaces and corners. Pet owners will appreciate the anti-tangle motorized pet brush, equipped with rubber bristles designed to effectively lift and remove pet hair without causing a jam. Operation is made user-friendly thanks to features like the One-Touch Easy Empty system, which allows for quick and clean debris disposal without having to touch the dirt. This model also includes a washable pre-filter and filter to ensure optimal performance and easy maintenance. Adding to its practical design, the vacuum is compact, measuring 15.8 inches in length and 8.2 inches in width, which makes storage effortless even in limited spaces. The included jack plug charger ensures the battery is quickly recharged, minimizing downtime between cleanings. Overall, the Black & Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean Plus stands out for its effective cleaning capabilities, ease of use, and thoughtful design, making it a top contender for anyone in search of a reliable handheld vacuum. The second on our list is the Shark WV201BK. Effortlessly light and remarkably effective, this handheld vacuum redefines ease of use in cleaning routines. Weighing in at only 1.4 pounds, it's exceptionally easy to carry and maneuver, making it an ideal choice for rapid cleanups across various environments like homes and vehicles. This vacuum boasts a high-speed, brushless motor, which provides powerful suction, suitable for a variety of cleaning tasks. It includes specialized tools such as the mattress tool for effectively removing pet hair from upholstery and a duster crevice tool that targets tight spaces, enhancing its versatility. Its sleek charging dock not only keeps the unit tidy and out of the way, but also charges quickly, minimizing downtime. The vacuum features a one-touch empty system, enabling debris disposal with a single button press, eliminating the need for direct contact with the dirt. The ergonomic handle design enhances comfort and control, making prolonged use less taxing on the hand and wrist. An LED indicator on the control panel keeps you informed about the charging status and battery life, adding to its practical features. Simple to maintain, the vacuum includes a detachable dust cup and an easily accessible filter housing, ensuring that keeping it in optimal condition is straightforward. Although the runtime is around 10 minutes, its efficient 2.5-hour charge time ensures it's ready for quick sessions, perfectly suited for handling daily cleaning tasks with ease. In conclusion, the Shark WV201BK offers a potent blend of lightweight design, strong suction capabilities, and user-friendly features, making it a smart option for anyone looking for a quick, effective cleaning tool. The third on our list is the Dyson Humdinger Handheld Vacuum. Effortlessly blending power with portability, this handheld vacuum embodies convenience for swift and thorough cleanups. Weighing just 2.2 pounds, it is impressively lightweight and compact, making it a breeze to handle, especially in tight spaces or for overhead cleaning. The Dyson Humdinger is not only easy to maneuver, but also incredibly powerful, featuring 2 cleaning modes that adjust the suction power as needed. This ensures efficient cleaning without wasting battery life, allowing up to 25 minutes of fade-free performance. The hair screw tool is a notable addition, effectively removing long hair and pet hair with its anti-tangle conical brush bar, making it ideal for cleaning pet beds, car seats, and stairs. Moreover, the vacuum includes a unique combination of Dyson-engineered accessories that enhance its versatility, cleaning up high, down low, and even in your car. Its advanced whole machine filtration technology captures and seals in 99.99% of microscopic particles as small as 0.3 microns, expelling cleaner air as you clean. The Dyson Humdinger ensures no loss of suction thanks to its 8 Cyclone technology, which flings dust into the bin rather than the filter. This feature, combined with a 4-cell energy-dense lithium-ion battery, ensures sustained power for quick spills and routine cleans, all while operating at a moderate noise level of 75 decibels. Hygienic bin emptying is another user-friendly feature, allowing you to eject dirt with a simple, clean action, avoiding any contact with the debris. Maintenance is straightforward with removable parts and a washable lifetime filter, ensuring the vacuum remains effective over time. In summary, the Dyson Humdinger handheld vacuum is a top-tier choice for those who need a powerful, lightweight solution for fast and efficient spot cleaning. The fourth on our list is the Shark Ultra Cyclone Pet Pro Plus. This handheld vacuum is a powerhouse when it comes to dealing with pet hair and deep-set dirt, designed specifically for pet owners who need effective, hassle-free cleaning. Weighing only 2.8 pounds, it combines a lightweight design with powerful cyclonic air streams that enhance suction and ensure long-lasting motor and filter life. A key feature of the Shark Ultra Cyclone Pet Pro Plus is its self-cleaning pet power brush, which actively removes hair wrap from the floor, upholstery, and the brush roll itself. This tool is essential for maintaining cleanliness in a pet-friendly home, making it easier to manage pet hair accumulation on various surfaces. The vacuum features an XL dust cup capable of holding up to 0.11 gallons, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without the need to frequently empty the container. Additionally, the Clean Touch Dirt Ejector enables hands-free disposal of debris, which is a significant convenience, allowing you to keep your hands clean throughout the process. Battery life is critical for cordless devices, and this model doesn't disappoint with its lithium-ion battery, providing reliable performance for up to 10 minutes of runtime. The compact size and efficient battery make it versatile and portable, easy to use anywhere messes occur, from your home to your car or even a boat. Despite its powerful performance, the Shark Ultra Cyclone Pet Pro Plus operates at a noise level of 80 decibels, balancing suction power with noise control. It is equipped with simple push-button controls for ease of use, and the entire unit is designed for low-maintenance care, featuring a washable filter and straightforward components. The last on our list is the Dirt Devil 16V Deep Clean Handheld Vacuum. This handheld vacuum from Dirt Devil is a true performer when it comes to deep cleaning, especially in homes with pets. It's designed to be light and portable, weighing just 3.1 pounds, which makes it very manageable for cleaning high, low, and everywhere in between. Featuring a powerful 16-volt suction, this vacuum excels at picking up stubborn debris, making quick work of dirt, crumbs, and especially pet hair. The motorized pet brush roll tool is specifically crafted for hassle-free pet cleanup, efficiently removing pet hair from upholstery and other surfaces without much effort. One of the standout features of this Dirt Devil model is its extended runtime, which allows you to clean larger areas or handle multiple cleaning sessions without the need for frequent recharging. This feature, coupled with its cordless design powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, provides exceptional convenience and flexibility. Included with the vacuum are practical tools that enhance its cleaning capabilities across a variety of surfaces. The vacuum also boasts a noise level of 70 decibels, which is relatively quiet for such a powerful device. It comes with a 0.6-liter capacity, which is sufficient for several cleanings before needing to be emptied. In conclusion, the Dirt Devil 16V Deep Clean Handheld Vacuum is a robust choice for anyone looking for a powerful, lightweight, and versatile cleaning tool. Its strong suction, extended battery life, and specialized pet tool make it ideal for homes with pets or anyone who needs a reliable solution for quick and thorough cleanups. And that wraps up our list of the best handheld vacuums. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect one for your needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this. Until next time, take care.